Imagine a place where time slows down, where every step takes you deeper into nature's embrace. This is Lanka Ella Falls, a hidden sanctuary in the heart of Sri Lanka. Let's journey together to discover its untouched beauty. The trail leads through a vibrant landscape, and the fresh mountain air fills your lungs. It's a peaceful and refreshing journey. As you ascend, the mist rolls in, creating a magical atmosphere. The clouds dance through the peaks, making the hike feel like a walk through the clouds. After about an hour of hiking, the forest reveals Lanka Ella Falls. Unlike the busy Bambarakanda Falls, Lanka Ella offers a serene escape. Here, you can truly disconnect from the world.